Testing 1, 2, 3. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Engineer Masood Akhtar Kiani, and today we have the technical session number 158. And our subject is GIS system in infrastructure projects. This is as a memory, data, and as a assets, and we will discuss this one. But before discussion, I would like to request you to subscribe the video and press the bell icon in order to reach the next video with the easy access where the 158 videos are on board with different subjects. So let us go to the session. So what we mean by the GS in construction? For the construction and the real estate industries, integrating management of the big data and GIS will help us make more information for the discussion. GIS tool captures, stores, manipulate, analyze, manage, and displaying, negotiating, and geographic data is already it should be there in the system. The GIS location in the also in the sky variable with the different aspects. So there are some questions. So what is the GIS in the infrastructure? GIS system is combined technology, software, and the data to capture, manage, analysis, and the display all types of the geographically linked data. So if the GIS technology to display the query and the analyze data in a variety of the ways, the GIS-based maps, reports, and the charts will help the relationship, the pattern, and the trends of the whole infrastructure scenario. So what is the projects we can do with the GIS? GIS projects idea can include the reacting web map application, analyzing spatial pattern of the crimes, mapping natural disasters, evaluating the public transportation networks, and monitoring the degree of the land where it is used. Also altitude and the coordinates and all of this data should be matched in the system and it is available as a memory disk. So why is the another question, why is the GS important in the project management? Spatial visualization GIS based projects monitoring system allow user to view and analyze projects data in a geographic context. With it can be provide the deeper understanding of the project's progress and the potential issues with different other work informations. So what is the use of GIS in the built environment? GIS is a urban planning enable spatial analysis and the modeling, which can be negotiate and the contribute to a variety of the important urban planning tasks. And this GIS include the site selection, land suitability analysis, land use, and the transportation modeling, and the identification of the planning action areas and the important assessments where it's required. So, what is the main function of the GIS? The Geographic Information System GIS is a computer-based tool for mapping and the analyzing the things that exist and the events that happen on the earth. So GIS technology integrates common database operating such as the query and the statistical analysis with the unique visualization and the geographic analysis benefits other by the maps. So why the GIS importance is uh, dominant in the engineering? The GIS technology provides a central location of the conduct spatial analysis overlay data and the integrates the other solution and the system. Built on a database rather than the visualization projects files, GIS enable civil engineers to make easy manage the share and the analysis data with the time and the resources and the all aspects and the parameters of the uh, other aspects. To stop the design and the GIS approval, there is the step also. What are the steps? Define the research question, and it will be mean that the subsequent steps of the project, design and the appropriate methodology, find the trial data, perform the analysis, present the results. So, what are the example for the GIS system? Number one is the mapping. Number two, the network services. Then the accidental analysis and the spot analysis, urban planning, transportation planning, environmental impact analysis, agriculture planning, disaster management, and mitigation. This is also a major factor for the GIS data. So there are GIS tools also. The GIS helps user understand the pattern, relationship, and the geographic context that benefits includes provide the communicating and the efficiency as well as the better management and the decision making. So how the team of the GIS software is the handle the most structure are through the an education institutes such as the local colleges, universities, and the online via distance learning. And the situation of the is providing the specific set of the classes and the attend touch teachers and the principals and the GIS uh, database management and the spatial analysis. So this is the general system for the infrastructure projects for the future, as we can say, is a major main assets database summary also, and also we can say this is the assets of the projects, and also this is a major landmarks of the projects where we can analyze in the future for any natural disaster or any other changes in the land and any other changes in the original topography of the land. So it should be maintained in a statistical ways for the construction and the other local regulations where it exists. So this was the GIS information for the infrastructure projects. So thank you very much and have a nice day. In next video, we will see each other.